364 divided by 4 is equal to 91. Alright, let's divide 364 by 4 using the long division. Firstly, this 3 is smaller than 4. We do what? We take the first two digits. Now 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. We write 9 on top. Now 9 times 4 is what? 36. 36. We subtract. 36 minus 36 is 0. We bring down 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. Right? 1 times 4 is 4. You subtract again. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now what does that mean? 364 divided by 4 is equal to 91. What about 65 divided by 5? Yes, so since 6 is bigger than 5 and 5 cannot divide 6, we look for the smaller number that is closer to 6 but is a multiple of 5. We look for multiple of 5 that is closer to this 6 but is smaller than 6 but very close to 6. Is what is 5 itself. Now 5 divided by this 5 is 1. You write 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. You bring this 5 down. Then 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that means that 65 divided by 5 is equal to 13. What about 1 divided by 10? Remember, this thing is like this. 1 divided by 10. So since 1 is smaller than 10, we cannot divide it. What are we going to do? We fix point. This is decimal point, and do what? And add 0 to 10. When we add 0, 10 divided by 10 is 1. You write 1 and then you add 0. What does that mean? 1 over 10 is equal to 0.1. Okay, what about 1 divided by 100? This is like this. 1 over 100. Firstly, 100 is bigger than 1. We do what? We fix a point. Then let's bring down 1. We bring down 1, we fix a point, we add 0 to it. We fix a point and add 0. 10 divided by 100. 100 is bigger than 10. We do what? We add 0 again to this one, and then we add 0 to this other one. 100 divided by 100 is what? Is 1. So this will be equal to 100. 1 over 100 is what? 0.01. In a recent video, we argued that pi is not a rational number. We argued that pi is not equal to 22 over 7. Why? Because pi is not a rational number. 22 over 7 is an approximation. So the actual value of pi is equal to 3.141592654 and so on. This is the actual value of pi. But let's see, when we divide 22 over 7, let's see what we are going to get. Now 22 divided by 7. Since 7 is not a factor of 22, we look for the closest number to 22, but that number must be smaller than 22 that 7 can divide. We are looking for a number that 7 can divide, that such that number is smaller than 22 but very close to that 22, which is what? 21. We take 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3. You write 3 here. So 3 times 7, we have 21. Then we subtract 22 minus 21 is 1. Now 7 cannot divide 1. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 7. We do what? We fix points and add 0. After that, 10 divided by 7 is what? Is 1. Remainder 3. Okay, let's do it. 1 times 7 is what? 1 times 7 is 7. Then we subtract. 10 minus 7 is what? Is 3. Now we continue. 3 divided by 7 cannot. We do what? We add 0 again. 30 divided by 7. 7 cannot divide 30 without remainder, so we look for a number that is closer to 30, which is 28. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So this is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. You write 28 here. Then we subtract. 30 minus 28 is what? 2. We go again. 2 divided by 7. It cannot divide. We add 0. 20 divided by 7. It cannot also. Then what do? We look for a number that is smaller than 20, but it is a multiple of 7, which is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. You write 2. 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. You write 14. You continue. 20 minus 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Now 7 cannot divide 6. What do? We add 0. It becomes 60. Now 60 divided by 7. It cannot divide. We do what? We look for the number that is closer to 60, but 7 can divide. What number is that? We take 56. Now 56 divided by 7 is 8. 56 divided by 7 is 8. So we write 8 here. 8 times 7 is 56. Alright, let's use this side. 60 minus 56 is 4. Then we write 4. Now 4 divided by 7 cannot. We add 0. 40 divided by 7. It cannot divide. Then we take the closest number will be 35. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 35 divided by 7 is 5. We write 5 here. And then 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. We write 35. And then we subtract again. 40 minus 35 is 5. Then if you want us to continue, we still add 0 to it, and so on till infinity. Now let's compare this value to the value of pi. Have you seen it? And they are not the same. That is why sometimes we take pi to be what? 3.142. If we take pi to be 3.14, this should be 2 because we are going to do what? Round up this 5. When you round up 5, you change to 1, add that 1 to this 1, it becomes 2. So we have 3.142. This is the same thing as 3.142. That's why some mathematicians normally use pi, or some in some question you see take pi to be what? 3.142. So that is approximation. 22/7 is an approximation, is approximate value of pi, but is not equal to pi. Pi is irrational. The value of pi cannot be expressed as a fraction like this. It cannot be expressed as a number 22 divided by 7. You cannot express pi as a fraction. You cannot express pi as a fraction so that you have a over b. It's not possible because pi is irrational. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, subscribe, share to your friends. Bye for now.